Objective Sciences International is an NGO present in all continents with 25 years experience in science education and more than 10 years experience in participatory research, creating the first real research camps in 2004. This NGO is the only science education organization that enjoys the UN Special Consultative status. The NGO is dedicated to working for the environment and sustainable development goals through concrete actions in which every participant is involved in promoting scientific projects while learning by doing. These scientific missions are conducted on the ground by participants through a pedagogical evolution put in place by the NGO to help volunteers attain easily the level of competence and involvement necessary in conducting research activities. A lot of professional know-how is necessary for achieving participatory research actions. Objective Sciences International proposes a large scale of competencies, the capacity of creating a tailored pedagogical project in a research program, the proficiency in procedures from quality production to the satisfaction of all participants and partners, the capacity to bring together different actors important to a research activity. These actors are research and science education program professionals who add scientific expertise to projects conducted, education and logistics for sustainable development program professionals in charge of organizing and welcoming volunteer participants to the camps, participatory development program professionals who increase funding sources and the number of volunteers on the camps, the NGO local group operations department in the country or region concerned, scientific educators who are key actors contributing to the smooth progress of the science camps, local non-profit organizations or cooperative enterprises who wish to become actors in the NGO are selected on different skill criteria and the level of their commitment in the long run. These organizations join Objective Sciences International and become constituent members of the NGO. When they become members, each of these different organizations have a specific responsibility attributed to it, an OSI mandate. This mandate is an international contract signed between two organizations. All mandated operators sign directly with the NGO International Headquarters in Geneva, allowing them to work effectively all over the world. These organizations have their own team composed of an administration committee, a program leader, and team members. Members could be volunteers, university trainees, company workers, on national service, or sponsored by a private company or a public agency. Some organizations have a research program mandate, an educational logistics program mandate, or a development program mandate. In each country or town where a local group of the NGO is established, one of these organizations will have the operations department mandate. Seasonal scientific educators are employed by the operations management of Objective Sciences International. Professional scientific educators are mandated operators of the NGO. The OSI Operations Department coordinates and animates gradual progress of the cooperation between all mandated operators. The OSI local group is composed of all active mandated operators in the region. Apart from the official connection with the headquarters, all operators are in reality in relation with one another from one country to the other. The local group operations department animates and assembles all operators by organizing monthly group meetings and also by mails, telephone, and being in charge of sending letters of assignment. A mandated operator will be based in a particular country with their local group, but also can be involved in other activities organized in other regions of the world. The mandated operator can therefore take part in different local groups. In the course of his or her professional development within the NGO, a scientific educator or a program leader receives a body of certification trainings. Objective Sciences International's position is to train more while reducing central supervision. NGO members receive more skills and can act with much more autonomy while guaranteeing the OSI model. Common branch trainings: ST1 for seasonal scientific educators, ST2 for professional scientific educators, and ST3 for program leaders are accompanied by an initial coaching for program leaders and development workshop aimed at providing key transversal elements to all constituent members of Objective Sciences International. Every year, operators that are members of the NGO attend the Geneva Forum organized by Objective Sciences International at the United Nations in Switzerland. The operators are joined by external observers, but the particularity of this General Assembly is that it lasts for a whole week and it is entirely open to the public. Members who took part during the year in post-participatory research camp meetings can also attend the Geneva Forum as regional or national delegations. This annual platform is a means of updating all the NGO's management tools, and all members present their assessment for the year and future projects. Now, you know all about Objective Sciences International. See you soon.